Hey, everybody. So, one of the things you might want to do is to start sending out newsletters. Now, that is a service that we offer, and we're happy to build this out for you and send out newsletters. But if it's something that you want to do yourself or you want to play around with, more than welcome to do so. And I wanted to show you kind of how to do that, how to set up a template and start to send out your own newsletters. So, from the dashboard in Lead Boomerang, we're going to choose marketing on the left. Now, once that loads in, we're going to go to emails and then templates. Now, there are all kinds of templates here. I'll show you those in a second. First thing you can do here is you need to have a template so that every newsletter that you send out looks the same. It has the same look and feel, colors, logo, phone number, all that kind of stuff in it. The easy way to do that is to go to New and then Blank Template. That is an easy way to get started. You can build out your own template that looks exactly the way that you want it to look. Now, if you want a shortcut, you can click on New and then Email Marketing Templates. Now, we've loaded all kinds of templates in here from all kinds of different industries. And really the idea here is just to give you a really good idea of all the different ways that you could potentially build out your own template. There's a lot of great looking ones here. In this case, I'm going to click on Home Services and let's look at this one for a roofing company, right? So, okay, this is the one that I like. I think this looks pretty cool. I want to use this for my own business. So I'll just go ahead and hit the continue button in the top right here. And now you'll see it's going to add in all the color palettes, all the different pieces that you can use to then build this and make it your own. Now, the one thing to remember, again, is this is just the template on how future emails, future newsletters will look. So they all look the same. So now that it's loaded into the editor, obviously you want to put your logo up here. I probably wouldn't put an email. I'd probably put a phone number up there, to be honest. And then, of course, some sort of headline, a picture that makes sense. This button should probably go to your set an appointment page, right? And there's some other stuff down here, some cool stuff that you can add. So good looking newsletter, right? You want to add something in, you can actually just grab these different things from the left and drag them in. And you can see the line where it puts where you can put different things in different spots. If you don't like this one here, just hit the old trash can and off it goes. So real easy to fix. Now, once you have your template built out the way you want it, obviously you hit the save template in the top right here. Now, when I go back, you'll see my new template in here, and I probably should have renamed it. I'm going to go back in there and give it a new name. So we're going to call this ABC Blinds email template. I know what it is. I know that that's the one for my company. Now, when I go back to emails and templates, we'll see that here's my template. So the second piece to this now is let's send out an email, right? So I'm going to go to emails and now campaigns. So every time I want to send out an email blast, that is a campaign. So in this case, obviously, I'm going to click the new button here. And now I can grab one of my templates. So since I've already taken the time to build it out with my logo and everything, I can just go to your templates. I can grab this one, ABC Blinds template. I'm going to hit the old check mark there. It's going to load in my template. And now I can start to edit the individual pieces of content that I want to be in this particular campaign for this month or for this week or whatever. Right now, once I've edited this exactly the way I like it, I'll hit the send button over here in the top right. You'll see you have some questions. You can send it now to your entire audience. You can schedule it. So if you're working ahead of time and you want to send this out next Tuesday, you can hit the schedule button and you can go ahead and pick when you want that to go. If you have a big list, it may be best to use this batch schedule. And I'm talking about, let's say 10,000 people on your list. You probably want to go ahead and batch that out so that there's not 10,000 emails all just going out all at once. Typically, the way we do this, we go ahead and set the date that we want to start it on. So this is like the schedule button. So we'll schedule it for whatever, the 21st at, I'm going to say at not 1500, let's say at 6 a.m. we'll start. I'm going to send this newsletter out at 6 a.m. on the 21st. Now, the batch quantity, I'd probably do something like 250 or 500, and then I would repeat it after, let's say, 15 minutes. Every 15 minutes, we're going to send out another 250 emails. So that just kind of spreads it out over the day. You can also do a start and end time. So since I put 6 o'clock or 6 a.m. here, I probably want to put a 6 a.m. here, but I can end it. So if I don't want to send any after, let's say 5 p.m., it'll stop. If there's any left, they'll just start the next morning at 6 a.m. again. We've got our sender email, your name, what is the subject line for this email. Now, the preview text is, if you use Outlook or something like that, even Gmail does it. When somebody gets an email, there's usually that first sentence where it says a little bit about what this email is about. That is a preview text, and I definitely recommend that you put something in there. And then who do you want to send it to? So choose contacts. You can choose them individually, which might take you a long time to do. You can just send it to all contacts, which is easy. You can also send it to a smart list. So in your contacts area, you can actually build smart lists of particular people. Let's say you're tagging all of your contacts when they set an appointment, and you're tagging them to living room or kitchen, or you're tagging them to specific products, Roman shades or something like that. You can actually send individual email campaigns to different people that are tagged in different ways. So a great way to really start to segment your audience. You can choose contacts from tags, almost the same thing as the smart list, and then pre-built segments. So if you just have a specific segment of people you want to send it to, another way to do it. We tend to do it with the tags. But anyway, a couple other options down here. Top right, hit review and schedule, and you are set. So wanted to show you guys a little bit about the email marketing system, how you can use it to your advantage. And if you have any questions related to any of this, please reach out to us through the support channels. We'd be happy to answer those questions for you. Hope you have an awesome day.